In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook from dark mode. Sometimes the aesthetics of our digital workspace can affect how we feel and function, and Outlook's dark mode, while easy on the eyes for some, may not be for everyone. So if you're looking to switch those settings, perhaps to a more traditional layout, you're in the right place. Let's get started with a straightforward guide, whether you're doing this for comfort, functionality, or just a change of scenery. First, open up your favorite web browser and make your way over to the Outlook login page. You can do this by going to the official Microsoft 365 Outlook login webpage. Once you arrive, you'll be greeted with the familiar sign-in page. If you're already signed in, feel free to skip ahead, but if not, go ahead and click on the sign in button. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials, your email address and password, and log into your account. After you're signed in, you should be automatically directed to your Outlook dashboard. Now, find and click on Mail. This is the hub of all your communication and we'll be navigating through it to get to the settings. Now, at the top right corner of your page, you'll see an icon that looks like a gear. This is the settings menu. Click on it. This will drop down a menu that gives you a quick glance at various aspects of your Outlook settings. From the drop-down settings menu, go ahead and select View All Outlook Settings. This will pull up a window with several tabs allowing you to tailor your Outlook experience. Click on the General tab, which is usually found on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find many fundamental adjustments you can make. Once inside the General settings, go ahead and click on Appearance. This section allows you to alter the theme and appearance of your Outlook interface. Within the Appearance settings, you'll see an option for Mode where you can toggle your settings. To exit dark mode, simply select the option that reverts your Outlook to the light mode. And that's it! You've successfully changed your Outlook from dark mode to light mode. Don't forget to save any changes if prompted. This adjustment should take effect immediately, providing a brighter, more traditional email interface. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Sometimes a little tweak here and there can significantly enhance your user experience. If you have more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more settings or reach out through the community forums. Thanks for watching and enjoy the refreshed look of your Outlook.